In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use RSI Overbought, Oversold, and Divergence in TradingView. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is one of the most popular tools in technical analysis, helping traders better understand market momentum. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to refine your skills, learning how to effectively use RSI in TradingView can give you a valuable edge. I'll guide you step by step from adding the RSI indicator to your chart to interpreting its signals, so you can make more informed trading decisions. And if you don't already have a TradingView account, you can sign up using the link in the description. To start, open TradingView and make sure your price chart is displayed. This is the foundation for everything we'll be doing today. Once your chart is up, locate the Indicators button at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click it. This will open a menu where you can access a wide variety of tools and indicators. In the search bar that appears, type in RSI. This is the quickest way to find what we're looking for, rather than scrolling through the full list. From the search results, select the option labeled Relative Strength Index. As soon as you do, the RSI indicator will be added to your chart, appearing as a separate panel below the price chart. This panel displays the RSI line, which oscillates between two horizontal boundaries, typically marked at 70 and 30. These boundaries are crucial for understanding what the RSI is telling you, as we'll cover next. Now that the RSI is visible on your chart, let's take a moment to understand what it does. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, measures the speed and magnitude of recent price changes. Essentially, it helps traders identify whether an asset is overbought or oversold. The RSI values range between 0 and 100. When the line moves above 70, it indicates overbought conditions, suggesting that the price may be due for a pullback. On the other hand, when the RSI drops below 30, it signals oversold conditions, which could mean a potential price rebound. However, it's important to use these signals as early warnings rather than definitive guarantees. Keep in mind that during strong trends, prices can stay in the overbought or oversold zones for extended periods. This is why the context of the overall market trend is so important. Next, let's explore how to identify RSI divergence, which is a powerful signal for spotting potential market reversals. First, look for what's called bearish divergence. This happens when the price makes higher highs, but the RSI makes lower highs. Essentially, the price is climbing, but the RSI suggests that buying momentum is weakening. This could indicate that a reversal to the downside may be on the horizon. Now, let's flip the scenario and talk about bullish divergence. In this case, the price makes lower lows, but the RSI makes higher lows. Here, the RSI is signaling that selling pressure is easing, even though the price continues to drop. This divergence can be an early indication of a potential reversal to the upside. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively use the RSI tool in TradingView to spot overbought or oversold conditions and even identify divergence for potential market reversals. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.